Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX, and in this playlist Python 101 I am discussing about basics of Python. In previous videos I have already discussed list and dictionary, and in this video I'll discuss about tuples. Tuples is one of the 4 built-in data types of Python, which are list, dictionary, tuples and sets. So today we'll discuss tuples. So properties of tuples: items are ordered, that means it has a definite order. You can access the elements by its index. Like list, we discussed earlier, it's unchangeable. Like after making a tuple you can't delete or add a new item or change an item inside a tuple, and it allows duplicates. Like list, it allows duplicates. So we'll discuss it later on. First we'll see how to make a tuple. So you have to use these first brackets, okay? T equals to first bracket. This is an empty tuples. So if I run this and try to print the type of T, you see tuple, okay? So it's an empty tuple. Tuple with one element. How we can create tuple with one element? If I do T equals to maybe do the first bracket first, then put apple and run it, you will see this is not a tuple, okay? Type T. See, it's a string. So how you can make a tuple with one element? After apple you put a comma and just leave it, okay? So now you see it's a tuple. So that's how you create tuple with one element. Tuple also supports different data types. Like T equals to, if I do fruit name like apple, I do color like green, I do a digit 400, I can do a boolean true, I can do a float number 123.78. see, no error. So tuple supports different data types, okay? So if I print the tuple, sorry, it's a small t. So this is the tuple, and there's the thing about tuple, the main property, which is tuple is unchangeable. After a tuple is made, you can't change its value. Like how you access a tuple's value? You use the index. So in 0th index you see there's an apple, and if I try to change the apple, as you've seen in the list here, like I'll show you here, you see here, right? Changeable. Here in the first index there is 1 2 3. Index 1 means second element, okay, cause starts with 0. So here you can see in the place of 1 2 3 I'm replacing it with 500. So after printing it, it's ℏ 500. So 1 2 3 is replaced by 500. But if I try to do it in tuple, like in 0, I'm trying to do it like in the place of apple, I'm trying to do orange. Alright, so you see there is an error. Tuple object does not support its assignment, so tuple object can't change. And also in dictionary I have shown how you can add new data here, like update function, or you can just assign it. And there's a delete, how you can delete data, but there is no option for tuple. Alright, in list also you can append new value. There's a method called append. Here you can see mix list, ℏ 500 3.14 true. If I want to append a new value, I can do mix list dot append. It's a append, and inside append I can put the new element. Imagine I want to add 900 in this list, okay? So after running that, if I print mix list, you see 900 is added at the end. So that's how you can add new element in a list. And how you delete an element in a list? You do the list name dot remove, and if I want to remove 500 from here, I'll put 500, and see mix list 500 is removed, okay? So this is how you can remove element from list. And another way of removing element from list is pop method. So if I do mix list dot pop, it will by default remove the last element from the list. So in this case it's 900, the last element. So if I run this cell, mix list. If I run this cell, you see the output is 900, and again if I print mix list, you see 900 is removed. In case if I want to remove 𝐷𝐸𝐷, right, 𝐷𝐸𝐷 is 0th index, so I can do, I'll just copy paste it here, and if I run it by default, it will remove this true because this is the last element of the list. But if I put 0 here, 0 means the first element, and run this cell, you see it removed 𝐷𝐸𝐷. So if I print it again, mix list, you see 𝐷𝐸𝐷 is removed. So this is two method, pop and remove. By this you can remove elements from the list by mentioning the element or mentioning the specific index. And this is append method, by which you can add elements in the list. Alright, and in tuples there it's unchangeable, so you can't change. As I said before, you can change or remove or add new element. But in case you want to delete, you can't delete specific elements of course, but you can delete the whole tuple. Like you can use the del function I've shown in dictionary, and if you do del t, it's gonna remove the whole tuple. So now if you want to print the tuple, you see t is not defined because t is deleted here. So hope you understand the concept of tuple and how it's not changeable. You can't change anything in tuple, and we have also discussed some very useful methods like append, pop, remove function of list, and we have also discussed dictionary in our previous videos. So I'll suggest you can watch by this playlist, according to this playlist, one by one, so that will be most helpful to you. And if you like this video, just like the video and subscribe the channel. And in case any doubt, you'll see my Instagram, just message me there, and you'll see all these codes in the description. I'll just push it on my GitHub and you'll get it from there. Okay, bye bye.